Thursday, look at Thursday, ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
I decided to record because this is not an easy job, man. Valve covers on a Honda Odyssey. It's a lot of pieces you gotta remove, man. Very annoying. Been doing this for like 30 minutes. And we finally got the intake off, and now it's time to get these covers off one by one. I'm gonna do the front because I know it's the easiest one, and then have to go to the back, but not that easy, man, honestly. Okay, so now it's starting to get simple, all right? Take out these five of these. These are number 10s, right? And take out the coils, right? Possibly could take out the dipstick, which I should. But now it's already out, you know? Dipstick, right? And this whole thing should come directly out, and you can see the seal is all broken on this side. So I'm gonna try to do it one-handed. Ooh, and look, the seal is stuck. So we're gonna peel this shit right up. Boom, look at this. Wow, guys. So it's burnt on the bottom. It's definitely bad. Change these, put them back together, man. Let's do this quick. Not even trying to be here that long. I'm gonna double check on all the seals on the other side. Make sure everything is good, and then we're gonna put it right back in, y'all. Right back in. I'm not even sure what this is for. It's like something's broken there. Now, normally, take this out, I would paint this, all right? Clean it, paint it, and then put it back in the car, but that's not the job today. The job is just to clean it. So let's clean it, replace it, and get it over with. I love to show it, guys, because look, the seal goes, it sits in here, all right? It's a bunch of crust. This is where the leak was happening for sure. You got all this extra stuff happening here. And these seals right here get replaced also. So we're gonna pop these out, replace them, wipe this with a rag so all the burnt oil on the top of the engine, and clear some of the airways out pretty much, and that's it. And not even no airways, that's the dipstick right there. So you see the sludge and the oil is like, ugh. But let's get this done.